This is Lisi and Ted Ramos from the Ramos Real Estate Group. Welcome to 3313 Rockingham Court, located in desirable Ponderosa Legacy neighborhood of Livermore. The stunning home has 4 bedrooms plus office, 4 bathrooms, and approximately 3,500 square feet of living space. The lot size is over 21,000 square feet, and it has a sparkling pool, spa, built-in barbecue, and gorgeous views of the rolling hills and Mount Diablo. Don't miss the opportunity to make this beautiful home yours.
Yes, this truly is an amazing opportunity. You've got a gorgeous home on an elevated lot with expansive views in a vineyard-like setting. And you're located just a few minutes away from the famous Livermore wineries and the bustling Livermore downtown. Additionally, you're just a short stroll away from the trails at Holdener Park. For more information on this home or to schedule a private tour, contact the Ramos Real Estate Group. We hope to hear from you.